Electric power steering column test with a torque wrench that unfortunately only goes down to 6.8 Newton meters. And we're just using a 7 amp hour battery just for this test, because obviously there's not much load on it at the moment with no engine in it, but this will give it a bit of an idea. That's 6.8 Newton meters. Just the tips of my fingers. Doesn't want to turn the steering wheel at the moment. We'll power it up. Wait 10 seconds for it to power up. Tips of my fingers again. Oh, easy. So easy. Just the tip of my finger. Turning the steering, not a problem. Very, very easy to turn. Give me a torque wrench back around. Just the tips of my fingers. Oh, with ease. No hassle whatsoever. Power that down. A lot harder, and .8 Newton meters again. That's a standard VL manual steering rack with an electric power steering column.